In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a message in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're just getting started or you simply need a quick refresher, this guide will help you communicate clearly and efficiently with your coworkers in just a few clicks. To begin, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams. If you're not logged in yet, open your preferred web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Enter the email address and password linked to your Microsoft account, then sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Teams interface where all your conversations and teams are accessible. Next, take a look at the left-hand navigation panel. This is where you'll find key sections like Activity, Chat, and Teams. For sending messages, click on Chat. This will open your messaging area, showing your recent conversations and giving you the option to start a new one. At this point, you can either continue an existing conversation or create a new chat. To start a new message, use the search bar at the top of the chat panel. Type the name of the person, group, or team you want to message, then select the correct result from the list. This will open the chat window. Now it's time to write your message. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll see a text box where you can type. Click inside the box and begin composing your message. Microsoft Teams includes several formatting tools that let you customize your text, such as making it bold, italic, or underlined. You can also add emojis, GIFs, or stickers to make your message more engaging and expressive. When your message is ready, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard, and your message will be sent instantly to the person or group you selected. If you need to share files, documents, or images, click the paperclip icon to attach them directly to your message. One final tip to keep in mind is message etiquette. Try to keep your messages clear and to the point, especially in professional settings. If you notice a typo or need to update something after sending, Microsoft Teams lets you edit your message. Just hover over the message, click the three-dot menu, and choose Edit. And that's all there is to it. Sending messages in Microsoft Teams is quick, simple, and a great way to stay connected with your team. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.